It's VQs.
Original Batman. Lego.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this hair that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Eullair hair. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. I also wanted to say something before we jump right into the video because I forgot to mention it in like my review portion. So they did send out this cute little bag with their hair as well. Which I know I probably showed it in the unboxing, but I did want to say that I really do like it because I love having a place to store my hair and also to organize my hair, because as you guys know I get a lot of wigs to review and everything. And then also I know you fabulous divas buy a lot of hair, so you need to know like which wig is which and be able to also have a storage purpose just in case you want to travel or something. But I did want to mention that I do really love their packaging and I love the fact that we have somewhere to store our wig. But yeah divas, without further ado, if you guys are interested in all the details and the specs on this hair and my first thoughts on it, then definitely keep on watching. Hey divas, so I am just coming to you guys to share with you guys this unboxing. It's from Eullair hair, I believe that's how you pronounce it. So it came with this cute little bag, which I really do appreciate because so that I can separate my units and know which ones is which. So this is what it came with. It says your human version hair, and then it has EullairHair.com on there. I really love the fact that their things are pink and black because I love pink and I love black, so yeah. And like I said, this is good, really good for storage purposes. So theirs come a little bit different. So there's actually a box inside of here, or a part of a box. So yeah, that is pretty much how it comes. I think I ripped this, so it doesn't come ripped, so don't worry about that. But this is how it comes inside. Oh, and it does come with eyelashes as well, but I don't use these eyelashes. I love dramatic eyelashes, but I do appreciate the gesture. I will give them away. And so yeah, it does come with the unit, obviously. It does come with a little stock card to tell you what unit we have here. So we have 24 inches of deep wave hair. So I'm going to take off the net so we can see how it looks. So it looks really, really pretty. So here is pretty much what the hair is looking like. So I love the length on it, how long it is. I think I'm going to try it on to see. I don't know though, because my hair has got to be glued down. Well, anyways, I just wanted to show you guys like the cap construction and everything like that. So this hair is really long, which I am absolutely loving. I cannot wait to rock her. So here's her cap construction. So she seems to be average to big head friendly. If that is not the case, I will let you guys know, but I just wanted to show you guys. And then she comes with 3 combs in the front, which is perfect. The way that they put the combs, they put it right behind the lace front, and then 2 combs on the side. And then it also comes with adjustable straps as well as a comb in the back. The adjustable straps are not on there, but they are there, like, you know, like they're here but they're not adjusted. So that's what that looks like. And then as far as the parting space, it looks like it's about maybe like 4 inches of parting space. So it is looks like a lace front. So you have more parting in the center area here, as you guys can see. So it is a lace front. I don't think the knots are bleached, and it does not appear to be pre-plucked or anything. So all of that stuff will have to be done if you want to do it. I'll see what it looks like after I bleach my knots and see what I need to do. See if I need to go in and pluck it or anything. But I am going to dye this hair black because it is like a brown color. I don't know if you guys could tell with this hair. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the difference. But I like my hair to be black, so I am going to go in and dye this hair so that it can be black, and then I will go in and bleach the knots. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know like what the wig looks like before I do anything to it.
Okay divas, so now I am going to go ahead and install the unit. I am just adding some Got2b glue, and I'm going to use that to adhere the unit down. As you guys can see, I kind of have to do it weird because of my hairline. You guys see my hairline protrudes out, so I'm going to leave that on for 5 minutes. I didn't blow dry it or anything because I just like to just let it get tacky after 5 minutes, and then I can kind of just tack it down. So now I'm going to go in and add powder, and then I'm going to style the unit with a couple products. I will be doing a more detailed video. That's why I didn't really go into detail, or I'm not going to go into detail on this video, but I did want to show you guys like what I did to the hair and everything, and of course I'll go ahead and finish out with my closing thoughts.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs on this hair, it is time for us to get into how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so let's just jump right in. First of all, I love this hair. Like, this hair is so pretty, and I love how long it is. It hits like the top of my hip area, so I really do like that. I feel like this is gonna be perfect for summer. I know some people don't like long hair in the summertime, but I do, especially when it's like curly or wavy or something, because it's a wet style, so it's not like gonna burn you up, you know. So that's just my personal opinion anyways, and this unit is the perfect amount of density, so it's not like too much hair. But yeah, anywho, I really love the curl pattern. I love the density on this hair. It is just so freaking pretty. So let's just go ahead and get right into those pros and cons. So like I said before, this hair is very, very pretty. Like, I really do love how it feels. I love the density, I love the length, I love the look of it. I do also like the cap construction. So here is the parting space. It looks really good. All I did was go in and add powder, and it looks really good. So I felt like that was a pro as well. So yeah, and it also has like a really nice density, as I mentioned before, which I'm sorry, I know I said that a couple times, but the density is very nice. So it's not like too overwhelming, especially, you know, because we are approaching these hotter months. You don't want like too much hair, but this is just perfect. I really do like it. Now let's talk about like my experience with the hair. So I did dye this hair black, and I did that off camera just because I'm featuring that in another video, so I didn't want to do it like in multiple videos. I will do like an in-depth video, but I just didn't want to do it in multiple videos. So anywho, I did go ahead and dye the hair black just because I feel like the hair looks better on me when it's black, and I feel like it brings out like my complexion and my undertones and everything when it's black. I don't mind the natural color because, as you guys seen in previous videos, I have done the natural color, but lately I've just been like, you know what, I'm just gonna dye my hair black because that's the way I love it. So yeah, I did dye it, and I did not experience any problems when I dyed this hair. There was nothing, like it wasn't shedding more or tangling more, or it didn't take, like it wasn't taken to the color. No, it took to the color and everything. So I was grateful for that. So I did wash this hair quite a few times, especially with me dyeing it and everything like that. So when I detangled the hair and prepared it for wash, it had very, very minimal shedding. So I was really proud of that. It did have a little bit of tangling, as this is curly hair and this is deep wave curly hair. So I was expecting a little bit of tangling, but it was nothing that was crazy. I was really like impressed by the fact that it did not have like a lot of shedding, especially after I dyed it, because you know, usually after you process hair, it will, like, you know, it just sometimes it changed, but this hair did not. So I really did appreciate that. It kept its softness and everything like that, and I feel like it definitely still will, as long as like I apply the right products and everything and take care of the hair. I also really like the cap construction. So the cap construction is a 13x4. As you guys can see, the parting does go back 4 inches. So yeah, that is the cap construction. The cap construction is, I would say, average to big head friendly. If you have a small head, you can add an elastic band, or you can just go ahead and adjust the straps, or maybe add bobby pins, or just adhere it to your head and you'll be just fine. So yeah, the cap construction is really comfortable. As I mentioned before, I really do like the parting space. All I had to do was go in and add powder. Now this unit does come with pre-plucked baby hairs and everything like that, but I just didn't feel like doing baby hairs today. And I feel like if you can wear a unit without baby hairs, like having, like, you have to have baby hairs, if you can do a unit without that, I feel like the unit is really nice and it can stand on its own, because sometimes you need the baby hairs to kind of make the unit work. I wanted to see if this unit could work without the baby hairs, and it definitely does. So I really do like that. That's very impressive as well. But yeah, overall I really do like it. The only, and it's not really a con, the only thing I would say is I feel like this unit would be amazing as like a 13x6. So I don't have a problem with it being a 13x4, but I feel like if they had a 13x6 in this unit, like, it would be amazing. But I don't really have any cons with this unit, honestly. Like, I'm very impressed with the unit. Like I said, I have done things to this hair. I did go ahead and bleach the knots as well. So I have done some things to this unit, and the unit is still gorgeous, as you guys can see. So yeah, overall I would definitely give her a thumbs up. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will definitely have a link down in the description box below. I also want to let you guys know that I will do like a detailed styling video on how I like define my curls with my curly hair. Especially, it will be very fitting for this summer season that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys, or I have shared with you guys, a lot of curly hair. So I'm gonna share with you guys like exactly how I detangle it and everything. So it'll be the same products, but I'm just gonna like slow it down. So I will have an upcoming video with this hair again, and as well as like a follow-up like on a review. So yeah, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I am loving this hair. If you guys don't want to wait for my follow-up video, you definitely don't have to. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I am living for this hair, like, and it's just so long and beautiful. Like, I love it. So yeah, anywho, make sure you guys check the description box below for the links. They will all be there so that you guys can purchase this unit if you would like. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.